What up, famous fam, and once again welcome back to another vlog. Today once again we are over here at Alex's house, but today we are working on his Dodge Ram Rebel. Right now we have all the body panels taken off. I'll give you guys a quick walk around. The over fenders are getting replaced. The whole front end is off of the car. Over fenders over here. We still got to take the back over fenders off. And what we are doing today, since this car is white with black bumpers and over fenders, we are replacing the over fenders and we are painting everything with white Raptor Liner.
Tomorrow your whole driveway is gonna be white.
Look at you guys.
If that long ass hose, you're going one square and that compressor gonna die.
Yeah, literally.
Keep it plugged in.
No, it makes noise.
Checking back in, we had to go to Harbor Freight to get a bigger compressor. I'll show you guys the new compressor we got and the old compressor that Alex already had. This is the new one right here. McGraw. It's 8 gallons, 4.1 SCFM at 90 PSI, 1.5 horsepower, oil-free pump. The goods. So right now we're finishing up on getting all the prep work done. Alex is over here taping off the Rebel right now. Or masking it off, I should say. We have all of the fender flares hanging up right now. This is the front grille. Alex is gonna leave everything that's unmasked black, and we're only gonna paint this top piece white. So you guys can see the masking job right there and kind of get a good idea before we actually paint it. This is the rear bumper. Everything unmasked is gonna be white, obviously.
I'm dropping this hardener in. Huh? I'm dropping this hardener in. It's the good old hardener. Got the factory OEM white in there.
That's right, that's right. Alex did have a body shop mix the factory paint with this Raptor Liner, so it should match perfectly to the body of the truck.
Okay, don't know that will be enough.
You see how the white hat takes taking a little more time to shine through? We haven't gone through anything yet, though. I'll tell you that right now. These cans do spray for a long time. Yeah, they do. They do hold a lot. No question about that. Right here, because we do have that cover that goes here.
So Vic has the first coat sprayed down on the front bumper, rear bumper, grill, and these pieces right here. We're gonna let this dry for about an hour. Come back out here, add the second coat. And I think we're gonna need 2 other cans of the Raptor Liner in order to do the over fenders. And Alex also wants to do part of the rear wing that he has installed on the Rebel. I think we're gonna let this chill for a little bit, come back out here in like an hour, like I said, see how it is, and then spray the second coat. So we'll catch you then. So here we are back again. Vic just sprayed the second coat of the Raptor Liner down. Alex is currently taking off the tape, all the masking job that he did on the front grille.
Oh, that shit looks nasty. Vic, are we opening the shop?
I don't know, man. She pays me too much to do this. I don't know if people get paid nowadays to do this kind of work, but I guess I can do this for on Sundays.
Okay, we can start on Sundays just until we start making money.
Yeah, exactly.
There was more?
No. Not clear now, so. I thought you already got.
Camera, action. Oh, it's coming out dope. I like how it looks. The paint match is perfect with Rebel. So we're gonna put this together. We might not put it on today. I might put it on tomorrow.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
But we're setting up the bumper and the rear bumper. That's about it, I think. And we'll go from there. We'll pick up the camera in a minute. Throw a little time lapse if you want.
Alex ain't playing no games.
None at all. Matter of fact, speaking of him playing no games, he just backed the Rebel up because he's putting the rear bumper on already. So we're gonna see how this looks. And also, earlier I said we are doing all the panels with the Raptor Liner, but these side panels that are black on the truck, Alex is doing with burgundy, gray, red, and the black is the black paint. But he's doing all of this camo. This side is complete. He's just gonna add a couple more pieces right there. I think one more small one right there or right there. But he still has to do the driver's side as far as the camo. But this camo came out nasty. And each piece is hand cut. That's not one piece of vinyl. He sat here and cut out each piece of vinyl and just basically freestyled how we put it on the truck. He tried to do it with one piece of vinyl, just the whole thing across, but he's never wrapped before. It came out good, but it started to lift. So a little more practice, he's gonna be able to wrap probably cars. But for now, he just did it this way, much easier. And honestly, I mean, look at that outcome. That looks perfect. And it bleeds back to right here. And then they got the rear bumper pretty much mocked up right now, so you can see where it meets up to the bumper.
How's that color match looking?
It looks like a fucking dealer did it.
Looks like pretty spot on. Looks alright.
Well, hater. It's hater.
Really good. Looks good.
That's just a perfect match. Were you expecting anything else?
You know his nickname?
What?
What's his name?
Dr. Vic.
Dr. Vic.
Ooh, Dr. Vic.
Alex just
I
gave
like
my
that.
nickname like 10 minutes ago.
You see, babe?
Paycheck that comes with that?
Yeah, he's in
Yeah,
it.
he's turned Dr. Vic. You hear that?
It was good. That was quick.
He had to change his gloves like multiple times. Make sure you're clean.
Sheesh.
Onto the front of the car, getting these little pieces bolted on there, right under the headlight.
It's some little things. It's some little things.
I don't know why they didn't paint that.
But they wanted you to do it.
Yeah, honestly, yo, on camera, ooh, in person, but on camera. And don't worry about that dirt right there. If you guys had half a brain, you would know that's where the over fender goes. So we ain't tripping about that. We gotta clean that up, take off that adhesive on there, and the new over fender is gonna go on there once we paint them. Show you guys the 5.7 liter Hemi in here.
It's a whole new truck. You could probably sell it 15 grand more over. What?
I know.
Just look at the front end, guys, and look at the amount of work that goes into doing what we did today. And we're still not done. So if you plan on doing this to your truck, if you're watching this video to learn how to do it or to see how to do it, set a couple of days aside and call a few of your homies and get a 12 pack because you're gonna need it. This is not no hour-long job. Probably need a 24 pack actually because
my side's there. That little tab in there too?
Yeah.
we got to put a before clip of the truck so they see what it looked like before because this change is dramatic, man. You happy with this?
I'm in love with this.
Yeah?
This is what I needed.
I think I hear the Chrysler over there crying. You guys hear that? You hear the Chrysler crying? The newborn is getting all the love right now.
You worry about the Chrysler, his daughter's inside crying for him.
I want to see this front end on, man. That's what I'm excited for. That front end is gonna look woo, crispy.
Can't do it myself.
Don't lean it. I know, how could you just do this shit by yourself?
Bro, this bitch, yeah.
This is a fun thing.
Hold on, guys. Let me put the GoPro down on the tripod. I gotta put you guys down real quick or to help them. You guys are on the tripod. Yeah, y'all got a good view. Got the front bumper mocked up. We just gotta put the bolts in.
When we step back, I need your opinion, Joe. I paint the front black or not?
I think you should paint the mirror caps white.
I wanted to, but
Amount of work.
I'm to work to take them off.
To disassemble them?
Yeah, they don't look bad black. They don't look out of place or anything, obviously, but yeah. But yeah, I mean, once we have that front on there. So what he's talking about is he might paint this part that wraps around, all this right here black, and then just leave this part right here and then follow over here white. So I think we'll be able to tell a lot better once we put the grill on, because the grill has the black part on it. So yeah, definitely get that grill on. Drop that hood. Damn.
That truck needed that. Jeez. I don't have my phone.
Yo, this looks tough, I ain't gonna lie. If it being done in the driveway,
So I paint
come
that
on.
black.
Do what?
It's tough.
It's gonna pop out more.
So which part you talking about painting black?
This right here.
No, no, not anymore. Not anymore. I like that shit too much. You know what? I can see it working though too though.
Yeah,
I
either way
with the
it'll
grill.
work.
It'll be the grills and the fog light.
I can see it working, no doubt.
That looks crazy though.
I wanted.
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up today working on the truck. Honestly, we got a lot more done than we expected. We didn't expect to put any panels on the truck today, but once Alex saw the finish of this, he wanted to put the front and rear bumper on along with the grill. Like I said earlier, he still has to camo this. We still have to paint the over fenders white to match the bumpers and the grill. And I believe he's gonna do something with the rear wing over here.
Yeah, we're gonna let some white everywhere.
Yeah, so right
and
here.
The spoiler.
Yeah, he has a roof wing on the truck as well. The roof wing and this wing are aftermarket.
Stay tuned.
Nah, definitely stay tuned because you guys do not want to miss this, especially when I put in the clip of how the truck looked before, and once the truck is done, the after clip with the wheels and everything. I don't know if we're ready, so I know you guys ain't gonna be ready.